Hi guys, sorry, obviously the picture's not that brilliant because it's at night. It's absolutely pissing down, and we've got a bit of a thunderstorm going. Oh, there you go. Just goes to show you. Fucking love thunderstorms. Pardon my French, but yeah, love them. Love thunderstorms since I was a kid. My mum always used to sit me in the windowsill with the window open with my legs dangling out. Remember that vivid memory, and while the thunderstorm was going on, just so we wouldn't get scared of them. Absolutely fantastic. Here we go, guys. Badass. It's been threatening thunderstorms for the last 2 weeks, but I was speaking to Silver, can't remember when it was, I think it was Monday, I think I was speaking to her, and I was telling her about that we was having rain and thunderstorms, and you know, crazy. She couldn't hear it, so but, whoa, holy fuck a donut, that was wicked. That is sweet. I don't know, did you see that streak of lightning? That was mega. Love it. Now we come out here and it's raining. I've been alright inside, but now I'm busting through a piss, but that can wait. And if anyone says take a piss outside, it's already wet. No, I'm not going to do that. Sorry. So I can guarantee somebody would probably say that. That is wicked. Oh, there you go. Love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, this is Harry Hamster reporting from the UK. And have a good evening guys, or morning or afternoon, wherever you are. Bye for now.